Understanding macronutrients in a plant-based diet. In this lesson, we will explore the essential macronutrients, protein, carbohydrates, and fats, and their critical roles in a plant-based diet. You'll gain a deeper understanding of how these nutrients contribute to energy production, muscle maintenance, and overall health, alongside strategies to balance them for optimal nutrition. By the end, you'll feel empowered to create nutritionally complete, plant-focused meals. By the conclusion of this lesson, you will be able to comprehend the roles of protein, carbohydrates, and fats in the body, identify plant-based sources of these nutrients, design balanced diets that meet your nutritional needs. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, supporting immune health, and producing enzymes and hormones. It plays a significant role in muscle development, recovery, and maintaining physical strength. The average adult requires **0, 8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily **. But athletes or individuals pursuing specific health goals may need more. Legumes, lentils, chickpeas, black beans. Soy products, tofu, tempeh, edamame. Grains, quinoa, amaranth, both complete proteins. Nuts and seeds, almonds, chia seeds, hemp seeds. Whole grains, brown rice, oats. To ensure your body gets all essential amino acids, combine protein sources like rice and beans, or rely on complete proteins like quinoa. Carbohydrates are the primary fuel for your body, powering physical activity, brain processes, and daily vitality. They are essential for long-lasting energy and overall well-being. Complex carbohydrates. Found in whole grains, legumes, and vegetables, they release energy steadily and include fiber. Simple carbohydrates. Present in fruits and certain vegetables, these give quick energy but focus on natural sources over refined sugars. Fiber supports digestion, balances blood sugar, and reduces the risk of cardiovascular issues. Whole grains, quinoa, oats, brown rice. Vegetables, sweet potatoes, broccoli. Fruits, apples, berries. Legumes, black beans, lentils. Fats are vital for vitamin absorption, hormone production, and maintaining cell health. They also serve as a concentrated energy source. Unsaturated fats. Heart-healthy options include omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which must be obtained through diet. Saturated fats, present in small amounts in items like coconut oil, to be consumed modestly. Trans fats. Avoid artificial trans fats entirely, as they increase heart disease risk. Avocados. Nuts, walnuts, almonds. Seeds, flax seeds, chia seeds. Oils, olive oil, flaxseed oil. Incorporate omega-3 rich foods such as walnuts and flax seeds to support brain health and reduce inflammation. To build a nutritionally rich diet, ensure protein. Mix legumes, grains, and nuts to achieve amino acid balance. Carbohydrates. Emphasize fiber-rich foods like whole grains and vegetables while limiting refined sugars. Fats. Prioritize unsaturated fats and include omega-3 sources like flax seeds and walnuts. Meal planning. Combine plant-based proteins, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats into meals. For instance, pair quinoa with black beans and avocado. Pre-workout nutrition. Fuel up with a carb-focused snack like oatmeal, supplemented with plant protein after exercise to aid recovery. Track your intake. Use apps to monitor and ensure your macronutrient goals are met daily. How can you overcome protein challenges on a plant-based diet? 2. What strategies ensure a balance of carbohydrates and fats for energy and health? 3. What are your go-to plant-based sources of healthy fats, and how do you incorporate them into your meals? By adopting these strategies, you can optimize your plant-based diet for improved health, energy, and nutrition.